Hey guys, I'm with my friend Aaron, and we're going to go around this. We're going to a train trestle that I found on Google Earth. We want to put a rope swing up. You could get up in there and climb out there and hang something, and then you could just climb and swing off that. I don't want to get any of this in my shoes. Free shout out to Abbott. Yeah, I mean, come all the way out here. Hey. I love being up high on things. You just feel like you're over everything else. I mean, you are. This is super cool. It's just like climbing a ladder. It's just a little it's a ladder, but it's kind of everything's sideways. No, not my worst fear. A bee when you're climbing. When you're climbing, a bee is like my worst fear. Do 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 do. Okay, there's something interesting at the top of this. I think it's a pack of Bud Light. Yep. Woo, I'm hanging. I know, I'm crazy. It's just like, once you get up here, it's like, well, what am I gonna do? Guess I'll hang off of it. Woo. Yay. Am I making you nervous? Okay, that's good. Yeah, no, when I'm like 53, I'm gonna like find this on some kind of YouTube archive because YouTube's gonna be dead. And I'm gonna be like, oh gosh, I hope my grandkids don't see this. I don't want them to go climbing on things. Let's get on top of this, like the actual top. Look at these trees here, and it's pretty. Like, look at that tree. It's just a weird angle to look at a tree from.
I'm looking at every cross tie and looking
down. Look, it's one of those giant red ones that like are super gnarly. Have at it.
Oh, piss me off.